pipe.
You need to be able to move dynamically and move in an angle that's going to protect you first and give you the proper angle for the attack or the shot. My bolo against your rifle. Okay, if I'm first, I strike the hand. If I'm first, I strike the hand. And then I take the head and then I finish you with the termination attack. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 fluid attack. When you draw the knife, the edge is in on the inside, not on the outside, because it's not for slashing. The knife is for thrusting in close quarter. Right from here, boom, you draw that here, and then you're ready to engage close quarter. As long as you have your number 1 and number 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, the same thing with your empty hands. 1, 2, 1 and your number 2. Power striking fluid attacks, 1 slap, 2 hack. In other words, you're going to be there, okay? And then I'm going to stomp on your neck, okay, and break your neck. See, so right away, there's my jab there. See, I came in with my jab here. Boom, there's my number 1. Okay, it's fast because you're not attacking. Okay, you attack me, I attack you. Then I can go for my elbow destructions on the inside, taking your eyes out. Both at the same time. I pick up the weapon and the eyes at the same time. If you strike on the diagonal. The weapon comes up here, you strike down to here, and then you thrust here, boom, 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 into the weapon hand here, and then into the throat. Then you cut that sling. All you have time for is to deflect that rifle down, okay? Not horizontal, but he comes back horizontal, he can strike you right into the face. That's why you use your number 1, weapon comes up to the point, downward, and exposes the head. There's your power slap on number 1. Back again to the other side, downward, diagonal 45, follow through, and there's your power slap on number 1. Follow through with multiple elbow attacks if you need to. I can move you back, I can move you forward, and you're gonna hold on to your rifle, okay? Then you can jab me in the eyes, boom. Or take your knife, strike that hand with the barrel, whether you have a bayonet or not. You're outside, here, fluid attack. Then I get the thrust, I get the slash again, back to the firing position. Right away, if you're evading my attack here, you know, I come for the jab here, exactly, see how you get out? Because now I have to adjust, and now you have time to take the shot. This is fast, but it's not as fast as the jab. Right away, as this comes in, I can either clear this here as I knife jab, bang. Now the enemy can't see, I secure the weapon here, and I finish in close quarter. You're gonna be a master of all weapons. Firearms, edged weapons, long weapons, the bolo, short weapons, the knife, and then the empty hands. In the absence of a blade, the hand becomes the hand blade.
I hope that was very educational for you guys. One war soon.
Back, welcome boys. Drax as well, thank you.
Whoa! Well, I've got a smile on my face like a split watermelon today, guys, because check out this for a block drain. What a doozy, mate. So there's a little grate right down there if you can see it. And together we're going to work out how on earth we can clear this block drain. And mate, there's a little inspection point right there. So let's get the lid off and have a little bo peep, mate. I've got my trusty plumber's chopsticks to take this inspection cap off, and if the drain is clear downstream of this inspection point, we know we have to jet upstream to unblock this floor drain. I mean, it's not rocket science, but by the end of this video I'll have you bloody convinced that I'm a rocket Scientologist. We'll just lift this up, and there we go, guys!
Rocket Scientologist.
Downstream of this inspection point is A-OK. She's clear as the day she was installed, mate. So this is where the fun will begin. We'll send the jet down this inspection point and up the drain, up to the underside of the floor drain, mate. Let's lift this grate up, guys. Right, there we are, guys. And wowee, how good. We'll give it a little tickle and let's get the bloody jet out. Got the taps running because I'm prepared. I'm thinking ahead, guys. I want to get a little bit of fresh water in amongst this blockage so that if it does go belly up and it squirts me in the face, I'm not swallowing manky old water. It's, you know, a fresher variety. But anyway, let's continue on. I'm already rambling. We'll send the hose upstream of this drain and we're going to start jetting towards that block floor drain. And you know what time it is, guys. You know what time it is. Let's fire up the bloody jet. Are you kidding me, mate? Come on! Ugh. We're snagged, mate. The bloody jet's stuck, guys. Come on! No way, come on! Oh. Come on. No. Oh, guys, this is an absolute disaster here. I'm going to have to get the drain camera out and see what on earth's going on. Come on! And what makes matters worse is I've come highly recommended to this poor client, and I'd hate to botch this job up, mate. She's had a terrible luck with other plumbers in the past. Oh no. Alright, we've got the drain camera out. We're going to send the drain camera upstream to see where this bloody jet is. So not only have we got to unblock a drain, we've got to try and get the jet out of the drain. So we're in a bit of bloody trouble here, aren't we? So we'll send this camera upstream and we'll bloody see where we're at, guys. Alright, so we're inside the drain, we're in position. Okay, see the blue hose right there? We're going to try and go around this elbow and we're going to try and follow the blue bloody hose. So right there, that's the joint of the elbow right there. So we've got to get around the elbow and hopefully we'll see. Oh no, we're underwater. Yeah, that's bloody water there. That's inside the gully right there.
That's inside. Points at the blank screen. Okay, very good. Nico and Boris Miami with the 7 years. Minus 420 aware. Minus tight. Did you do refunds? Yeah, of course. On the tier 3 sub only stream. We do it all the time, man. Check it out. In the meantime, join the badge, man. Let's go, Brandon.
Popping.
Bruh. What is he sitting in? Fucking PUBG tank or what? Alright, well, lovely. We can't see shit. Good idea.
But that story, that made you laugh, right?
That was a funny story.
Fucking car accident.
Hey, so that's it, huh? That's Ed's famous black book.
The history of the world. And phone numbers.
You dead. 41k views! 50k plus views! Minimum! Look at the fucking rules! Before you donate! God damn! Hypnoxia, X-Rig, Exonus, Anderski, Fleshless, Tree with 1 year. Says 1 deal. Luli, play schedule 1 and fist me. Please. Abdul, please. Abdul, please. Repeating, of course. Okay, Merit. Pure Porsche, Use Stranding. 3 years. You're my best friend. Forsen Fist, Strongman, Forsen Fist. Nice. That's very